We organized this symposium in the context of the project The Shape of Things to Come. It's a project that was funded by VolkswagenStiftung with a small planning grant for the track AI and Society of the Future. For this project, we proposed to develop a methodology, a mixed methodology combining artistic practice with scientific research. As part of the project, we proposed a proof of concept experiment with very intensive trainings during the summer. We invited artists from Grotowski Institute from Poland. And during the trainings, the performers were monitored for those transformations that are said to be brought in by the practice to be captured, like by technology.
All right, welcome.
The symposium was 2 days of really intense and extremely insightful exchange where we had people from very different backgrounds, from different countries around the world.
My name is Joe D'Souza. I'm from Toronto, Canada.
I have a background in conflict studies and human rights originally, and then in cultural analysis.
Technological systems and environments and devices.
So actor training, I've worked professionally in the theatre as a movement director.
There were presentations in which everyone had a chance to discuss their projects a bit more in detail and to showcase their work to each other.
How does this phenomenon of artificial intelligence relate to the human?
But also to critically ask each other questions about privacy, about ethics of AI.
Who controls the data that is captured? And do they have the ability to have that data deleted?
The symposium was also a stage in the preparation of the full grant application. So we wanted to find partners with whom we can work together for the next 4 years in case we get the next funding.
And so we put people with very different backgrounds in teams and asked them to really think about that idea. Think about what, how, when, what's missing, what can they bring, how can it function together, what is the best sort of framework.
Yeah, it was exciting. I felt very much in the flow, and I think the other people felt the same.
The shape of things to come is thinking above it all, actually.
And I think it's really nice that they're inviting people in to talk about it rather than themselves talking about it. So.
It was just a great conflation of circumstances that brought us to this place and time. It was really inspiring.